know I love you, and I know that you love me too. It's just that sometimes love isn't enough, at least not for us.
A few months ago, I was into you. We were so in love. It was everything to me. Tell me, where did we go wrong? You said it's easy. After everything I've done, now you're telling me this shit. You're so wrong, and you know it. You were my all, you were my home, girl, you know it. I'm in bed, trying to reset, baby, I'm going.
Your tracks today.
Honey, I'm done. So cry.